Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Rolanda Anderson, and I am an expert analytical researcher. I have been researching now for more than 20 years, and I'm hoping to bring this passion of mine to the internet world. I'm so excited about it. Today is my first day. Just to give you a background on some of my research experience, I've conducted research on Sprague Dolly rats, on research on various academic programs, as well as research on patient care. So I have a very wide array of research experience. For the last 3 years, I have worked as a doctoral chair at a university, and so I'm constantly researching or assisting students with their research documents. So that has been a fun task. Also, for the past 6 years, I have been working on research projects that students come to me with that they may need assistance with. I created a website called Dissertation Gurus, and on that website, I assist students with editing, proofreading, creating focus statements, coaching, and a lot of other different services that they may need to assist them complete their research projects. So always reach out to me if you need me. It's dissertationgurus.com. So just shoot me an email from the site and I would love to assist you. This new website channel that I'm creating is going to educate you on various research that I'm working on. I'm working on 2 books right now. So I'm going to be talking about those in the future. I'm also going to be talking about patient care. So all of these things, my YouTube channel is going to consist of different research projects that I'm currently working on. I also plan to create a course that people can take regarding research. So I'm hoping to educate you regarding the things that I've learned as an expert researcher. I look forward to you watching my YouTube videos on a weekly basis, and have a great day. Bye.